Huh? However you may study this or this, okay, it gives you a different picture. And that is why, there are a lot of people who combine many remedies. Many remedies. What happens? Yes, they can work. But provided you do their proving, you find out their characteristic symptoms, you found out how they work. Okay? Otherwise you will never know the truth. Patient was given arsenic herb, got better, followed by calcarea floor. We gradually increased it to calcarea floor 10 ml. This cured the patient. And the patient was more or less cured. So the prescription was based on acute phase, acute totality, acute similimum was given. Then a constitutional medicine was given on chronic totality. It is one of the important remedy. What Dr. Patil said, Moschus. Moschus is a wonderful remedy. If you are able to get a Moschus case, you'll be amazed the kind of strength Moschus has to change. Moschus is one of the remedy. A lot of bar girls today, they are Moschus. They want to have fast money. Even if they are 14 or 15, they look like 18 or 20. They get involved with lot of things which are not right. And that is Moschus. And their life becomes so miserable in such a short time. By the time they are 20 or 25, they have lost interest in their life. That is Moschus. And Moschus is a very violent remedy. It can even kill the person. And that is why Moschus, like Platina, they hate the menstrual period. They hate menstrual period because they cannot have the physical relationship during the period. Very interesting. I had a very nice case of Platina just few days back. The person is wife of a very nice gentleman, owner of a multinational company. She is just 24 or 25, having a very nice kid, you cannot imagine. And she openly discusses, she comes from a very conservative community, but she very openly discusses about the sexuality and everything. And she was just going to divorce. When she met me for the first time, she said, I'm going to divorce my husband. I said, why? She said, Indian women don't know what is orgasm. And this man cannot satisfy me. She had multiple relationships before marriage and after marriage. And she said, this man cannot satisfy me at any stage. And she went and brought vibrator. And she said, now I am comfortable. I have found a solution to my problem. So you can understand how much of excitement she was having based on the history. And husband is a thorough gentleman. Believe me, he is a mind-blowing human being. He is so handsome, so attractive, so caring. And she doesn't like him. So based on this, I gave her Platina 200, one dose. It's 2 weeks. 2 weeks or 3 weeks have passed. Just 2 days back, I received a very interesting call that she has taken a decision not to take a divorce and they are staying together. She's gone back. See, these are the changes, these are the changes which gives us happiness. We feel so nice that at least, okay, we help one family to be together. And the child loves father, child loves mother. And you can see that he was being shattered into pieces, literally shattered into pieces. And when this happened, there was a total transformation in the girl. she had more or less finalized the documents for the divorce. She said, 2 years I have been trying to stay together, I am not happy. And now she has taken a stand that yes, I am going to see that I stay with him. Are you able to get the point? How a remedy can literally transform. There was a doctor, she was a lady doctor, very young, she was just 22. She would come to the main hall. After everybody has gone out and come back. She would tell everybody, close your eyes, I want to change my clothes. And she would change her clothes in the main drawing room. Have you seen somebody doing this? That is Moschus. She got married. She had the first kid. As soon as the kid was born, the kid was taken within some 4 or 5 days, gave the kid to the sister. She said, I cannot take care of it. Why? It will be hindrance. Another kid, after 3-4 years, next week, she goes and drops it to the sister. Can you understand this? What happens? That is Moschus. They cannot control themselves. Absolute extremes. And that is what Moschus in the raw form is supposed to produce. Attractiveness. Very interesting. I mean, if you study this remedy as living human being, you can enjoy this remedy a lot. And then practice becomes a big fun. Sorry? But CPR doesn't crave for the sex. See, this is how you differentiate. See, the remedies are the same. Like if you have two, red color objects, but the shades of one red is different from the shade of other. And this is where homeopathy comes into picture. You may say, yes, CPR also hates the children. Lycopodium hates the children. Moschus hates the children. Moschus hates because they don't want the responsibility. No, not that. They want to have the sexual relationship. Okay? Lycopodium doesn't want to take up responsibility. But once taken up responsibility, will fulfill to the 100% extent. While Sepia is a thing who will kick the husband. Here Moschus loves the husband because he is a provider. So these small shades we must know. And unless you differentiate in these finer points, you can never come to semilimum. In this case, if you give a Sepia, finish. This is a very nice case. But you will be able to help many cases with this. This is a very small remedy. This was a fruit vendor, a vegetable and a fruit vendor who gets frequent attack of asthma. As soon as he is exposed to dust or a smoke, he gets an attack. Very simple case. Whenever he has an attack, he feels better only on passing stool. What is the remedy? Asthma better by passing stool. Come on. Pothos foetidis or Ictodatus foetidis. A remedy for asthmatic complaints worse by inhalation of dust and relieved by stool. Only remedy. You can just close your eyes. Normally patient feels very bad after exertion. Even the slightest of the exertion